So you can give room. Right. Okay. Plenty questions. Yeah, so let's start with Desmond. Desmond?
Okay, so I was saying, what are the top skills an aspiring FP&A analyst should have? I don't think that question was answered.
I think they actually answered it. So the people talked about top skills. But I think was it Bidemi or Quadri? I don't know. I think both of you answered that question, but let me give them an opportunity to answer the question again.
David, can go
Sorry
ahead,
for drawing
please.
you guys past. Sorry.
I like first one was strategic and analytical thinking, just what Quadri mentioned in his last, because you have to be a deep thinker. And the reason why we say deep thinker is because you can be exposed to things that you don't have understanding of. And its ability to break it down. Okay, like we said, imagine someone reaching out to you and saying, we want you to model, we're trying to build a YouTube channel. How we're going to make revenue. You'll be like, oh, I've not seen this before. Or someone saying that, oh, I want to do a transportation business. I want to build apartments in a school environment. How am I going to make revenue? And so that way, because as an FP&A person, that is not a case of, oh, I've not done this before. No, it is, okay, based on the level of your thinking that you'll be able to break it down. So that's one. Two is the business understanding, what Cody called business acumen. Yeah, you need to understand the business. Because, for example, when he was talking, I was laughing because there were times I was trying to model interest income for a business. And if I don't understand the business, it might be difficult for me to model that. So understanding the business is very important. That's where business acumen comes in. The third one, from my own experience, is the Excel financial modeling, or the tools, as the case may be, because you have a lot of tools. At least the top three that largely people request is Excel, Tableau, and Power BI. You need to know how to use Excel. It's not saying you want to sum 5 rows or cell together in a same plot, but you need to have above average knowledge of Excel and your modeling skill, Power BI and Tableau. And the last one is the stakeholder management skills. You'll be collaborating with a lot of people. So ability to collaborate, communicate, engage them, that would set you apart, because your role is important. You are not a standalone person. You are meeting, we are collaborating with a lot of unit departments. So ability to work with them closely in a way that still help them to achieve their results is very important. And those are the top 3 or 4 skills that I would say is very important for an FP&A person.
All right, thanks then. So let me omit Gani so I can hear her speak.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Gani.
Can you hear me? Okay. So I noticed that as you were talking, you were making mention of how important having practical experiences. So I wanted to ask, as like somebody who is about to graduate, basically, is there any way I can get internships? Like, is there any way someone like me can get internships, like in addition to learning, in addition to getting certifications? That's my question.
And so you can get internship, you can get a training job as a fresher. So, but can you really move into FP&A straight from school? I can't say that. You know, in most business they only have 2 people. Sometimes they have 1 person and being supported by an account officer that is doing payable and receivable at the same time. So the person will not like somebody that get data for the FP&A manager. So, but you can easily get internships with maybe one of the big 4s into deal and advisory if you are lucky that they put you there. But in majority, they're going to put you in audit and accounting, financial advisory, something like that. But if you're lucky and you have a chance of getting to any of the big 4, they can take you an internship within do advisory. So in which you will learn something around FP&A there. And some business too, if you're an internship in accounting department and they have FP&A, you also learn, depending on how open you are to learning. If you are open to learning and you maintain good relationship wherever work in that department, they may not be able to share some confidential information with you, but at least you can hear from them. They can give you some intro in FP&A line, and that can be a big plus for you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. I don't know if anyone has any other question for any of the panelists again. All right. I can't see any hands up. Right. So I think we okay. I think just to wrap up. So we're having our financial modeling budget analysis training come 15th of June. We're having the training on tax practice academy come September and incomplete records come November. Right. If you're interested in any of these trainings, you can easily chat the accounting yard official number just in case you're interested in any of them. But in the absence of no question, I think we've been able to go through the webinar. And I hope it has been as insightful and rich to you as it has been for me. Right. Someone is sending a message to the chat box. Oh, someone saying getting a mentor. Right. So I think just chat the official accounting yard number and maybe we can be able to get a mentor for you. Right. Yeah. So in the absence of no other question, I think I should just call this a close, and I'll just really thank everyone, especially our panelists. Thank you. I know we ran over time. We planned 2 hours, but almost 3 hours. But thank you for being patient enough to wait to the end. Thanks, everyone.
All right, thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.